What's the meaning of correlative? Correlative. Correlative.
Correlative. Correlative. Correlative refers to two or more things that are closely connected and have a relationship with each other. This term can be used in various fields, such as linguistics, mathematics, and statistics. In linguistics, correlative conjunctions are words that link similar structures together. In mathematics, correlative variables are those that are affected by the same underlying factor. In statistics, correlative data refers to variables that tend to move together. Overall, correlative signifies a strong connection between two or more things that are related to each other in some meaningful way.